In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp as a CRM so you can keep track of your contacts, leads, and deals all in one place. We'll focus on setting up a simple but effective structure that you can customize later as your process grows. First, let's talk about why using ClickUp as a CRM can be helpful. Instead of bouncing between different tools for tasks, contacts, and deals, you can store everything in one workspace. That means each lead can be treated like a task, and all the important information about that lead lives inside that task. This makes it easier to track conversations, follow-ups, and potential revenue. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the space or folder where you want your CRM to live. This might be your sales space, or you can create a new one just for client management. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new list using a CRM template. When you create a list, ClickUp usually gives you the option to browse templates. Look for a CRM or sales-related template. These templates often come with some predefined views and fields designed for managing leads and deals, which saves you time compared to starting from scratch. Select the CRM template that best fits your needs and apply it to your new list. Once it's created, think of this list as your pipeline. Each item or task in the list will represent a contact, a lead, or a deal that you're working on. The template might already include some basic fields and statuses, but you'll want to customize it for the specific data you care about. Now let's add the key fields you'll use to store contact and deal information. Open any task in your new CRM list and look for the option to add custom fields. Custom fields might appear in a panel on the side or near the top of the task. Depending on your layout, you're going to create fields for email, phone number, company, lead source, and deal value. Start with the email field, add a new custom field, and choose a text field type since you'll be entering a standard email address. Name this field email so it's clear and consistent. This is where you'll store the main contact email for each lead. Next, add a phone number field. Again, choose an appropriate field type, usually text, and name it phone number. Keeping email and phone separate makes it easier to filter or quickly scan contact details later. Now create a field called company. Use a text field for this as well. This will allow you to see at a glance which organization each contact is associated with and makes it easy to group or search by company. After that, add a field for lead source. This is where you'll record how the lead found you, such as through your website, social media, referrals, or events. You might want to make this a drop-down field so you can standardize the options, which helps with reporting later on. Finally, create a deal value field. Choose a number or currency type for this one so you can total and analyze the potential revenue in your pipeline. Enter the estimated amount you expect from each deal. Once these fields are set up, you can start entering real data into your list. Every time you add a new lead, fill out these fields so your CRM remains complete and useful. Over time, you can build on this foundation with additional fields, automations, and views, but this simple setup is all you need to begin using ClickUp effectively as a CRM.